Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for the video I want to show you how you can put a YouTube video on repeat. Now with your smartphone, you go to your YouTube mobile app, then choose this one. You tap to open your mobile app, then you assume this is a video that you want to play on repeat. You know, in some phones, you know that there is these three dots which displays while the video is playing. So when you tap on them, you get an option where when you tap on loop, the video will play repeatedly. This is where you know that when the video ends, it will repeat again, and this one will continue repeatedly. This now, on other part, if your phone does not got this option, you have another option where when you are playing the same video of your choice and you want it to be on repeat, you just tap on save to save the video. You just tap save. Put that video on its own playlist, so you have to create a new playlist. You tap this plus sign, then you give the title of the playlist. For example, I can give the name of my playlist as Rope. Then you give the privacy. You tap on create. Tap on create to create a playlist of that certain video. Then what you do, you just go to the lower part of the app, of the mobile app, YouTube. You tap on library. Then on library you get your recent created playlist. When you tap on it and play it, this is where you get an option to loop your video. When you tap loop, you know that your video will play on repeat. When the video ends, you know that it will end, then it will start again. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed. Please, if you are new on this channel, remember to subscribe, turn on the bell for notification for you to be notified anytime I post a new tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Bye.